Hi, I'm Pratap Giri. I'm a chartered accountant, company secretary. So I'm a fellow member of both the institutes. I'm also a member of the Institute of Directors. And for better part of my life, I've been doing investment banking in various capacities as transaction advisor, going forward as a corporate advisor, and now I'm also teaching in Masters Union the same subject. So I've been teaching investment banking for now 21 years. An exposure to this subject helps them to build critical thinking and imaginative solution or problem solving capacity. So I try to build these skills in the courses that I do. And I guess end of the day, to not only build a career or to have a perspective, you should take a long-term view. So conceptual clarity is the first thing that I want them to develop. The second, obviously, would be to understand from a perspective. Everything has to have a perspective. So there are different perspectives for the same thing in different situations. So how do you connect a thought to a given context depends on how well your perspective has evolved. I want them to take away these two things from my courses. MBA's focus is to be industry ready to adapt to a given challenge or a given job or a given situation and use his expertise in solving and coming up with solutions. So there I think industry readiness is extremely important, and from what I believe, Masters Union focus is right on dot.